Good day everyone. Today we'll be doing second derivatives. So second derivative is simply you taking your first derivative and you derive it again. So you derive the original function they give to you 2 times for you to get your second derivative. So this is the kind of notation they would use in order for them to ask you to find the second derivative. So you have to know each notation so that you know how to answer such a question. So what is the use of this second derivatives? It indicates to us the change of the gradient of the original function. And also the sign of this second derivative tells us if the original function is increasing, decreasing, or it remains the same. So if the sign of your second derivative is positive, it means that the original function is increasing at that particular point. If it's negative, it means that the original function is decreasing at that particular point. And if it's 0, it means that the function, the original function, is not increasing or decreasing at that particular point. So let's quickly do some few examples. Now here are a few questions. Let's do them. The first one says p of x is equals to minus 10 over x squared. So we have to find the second derivative. So I would say, firstly, write it this way so that you can see it. And then from then on, you can find your first derivative, which will be minus 20 x to the minus 3. After that, you can find your second derivative, which will be minus 60 x to the minus 4, which can also be written as minus 60 x to the 4. Now let's look at this one over here. This one, your first derivative will be 24 x squared minus 7, and then your second derivative will be 48x. So guys, that's how you find a second derivative. So this is where I'll end it today. So once again, if you appreciate the content, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.